So you were thinking that you'll declutter once and for all, and that's it. Well, boy, have I news for you. Well, if you think about life, most of the things you do are not monolithic. You're not doing it once and for all and then it's done. Well, things like getting a diploma or studying for something is a one-off activity. But when you think of life in general, it's all about maintenance. You have to repeat steps over and over again. Just think of your body. You have to eat on a regular basis, which means you have to cook on a regular basis. You have to prepare meals. You have to go shopping to buy stuff that you can prepare your meals with. And all of this has to be repeated over and over again because this is maintenance. The same goes for cleaning and tidying up your home. You have to do the occasional clean. You have to dust. You have to put things back where they come from and not just sling them on the floor and let them lie there. If you've ever been in a household like this, you know what I'm talking about. If you have a wardrobe in your bedroom, you know what I'm talking about. At some point, it gets too much and you have to organize. And sadly, sometimes if you miss that point, it becomes so overwhelming that it becomes a hurdle that you cannot overcome on your own. So why not take steps to avoid this and make maintenance part of your routine, just like cooking or doing the dishes or doing the laundry. Maintaining your stuff in your home is a very similar thing. So which points do apply? Very simple. Have a space where everything goes. So if any item that you hold in your hand has a place that it usually goes to, it's an easy task to put it back. However, if you have lots of things that have just been put down somewhere and don't have a proper home anywhere in your house, you may be in trouble, and that should give you pause for reflection. If there are lots of those things, yes, there are knickknacks, there are things that move around, and that's fine, as long as you only have a handful of them. But the moment it gets to a point where all those floaty things get in the way of proper tidying up and organizing your space, you're in trouble and you need to rethink your strategy. Now, this said, coming back to my introduction, yes, life and decluttering is not about a big bang and then everything is good and done, but it can be made easier. And that's what these videos are for. So by all means, come back next time and stay clutter aware. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel or select the playlist in the middle to see more content or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.